Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time seeing me. My name is Maggie Howard and I make lifestyle videos with elements of musical theater, quarantine things to keep you sane, beauty, fashion. I look like I'm conducting something. I am not, but all those sorts of things. And today I'm going to be testing out and trying a $5 at-home manicure. So if you're interested in that, definitely keep watching. So I've been using kind of not really like regularly, but I've tried some press-on nails. I like the brand Impress. I've used those a bunch of times. And when I was in that like section, I saw this, which is by the brand Kiss. Bring the salon home, 100 full cover nails in short square shapes. And it says it holds polished nail and nail art for lasting wear. And you can just trim and file them. I can't speak today, I guess, to any shape or size that you want. And it says it has 10 sizes and you can have up to 5 manicures with these. So that's pretty cool. It comes with 100 of these nails and then a little bottle of glue. And the thing that made me really intrigued about this is that for one set of the Impress nails that I usually buy, it would be I keep saying $10. It would be $5 for one set of the Impress nails. This is $5, about $5 for 5 manicures. I like that. We're going to be trying that out today and seeing if they're worth it or any good. So the instructions say to prep, you need to clean your nails with acetone-based nail polish remover, which I have, and then select the correct size nail for each finger if needed, and then if needed, gently file them for best fit. Application, apply glue to nail, apply thin even layer of glue to natural nail. Starting at cuticle, press on hold for 5 seconds, file to desired shape and length, and then polish and go. It says for removal, do not force or pull the nails off. Trim and file the surface and disrupt the protective top coat. Use Kiss all-in-one artificial nail remover, soak them in acetone-based nail polish remover until soft, and then wipe off softened plastic and glue. Which is crazy to think these could be like dissolved by acetone, but I don't know, I guess that's how it's supposed to work. So I'm curious to try these out, so let's do it. So I just went to look and see if we had acetone-based nail polish remover, and we don't have any nail polish remover, which is weird because I thought we had some, but we don't.
So I am just going to use rubbing alcohol to get any excess oil off my nails, and I don't have any polish on them, so I don't think that should be a problem for applying them.
But if you do have that, definitely recommend that. Need to buy some. Hear this? Like screaming children, but it's just the rubbing alcohol. So I definitely need to buy some of that to remove them because that would be so bad if they got stuck on my hand. Oh my gosh, that would be so funny. Also, I'm totally wearing a dinosaur sweatshirt right now that I thrifted because that's what I do, I guess, and that's wonderful. So it's
really cold in my house because it's raining, so if you hear rain, if you hear rain, it's just the rain.
Wow. Okay, so what I have here is 2 cotton balls for the acetone, which I don't have, so rubbing alcohol, and then I have some nail clippers, and I probably should get a nail file too, but I can wait a little bit for that. And then I have the color that I'm going to be using, which is this pretty kind of light pink, milky color, and then a top coat. I have the nails, and you guys, I also have an extra battery for my camera in case it dies because it's 2/3 full, but you never know with these kind of things. They always take longer than you expect. So I'm prepared. I'm going to start gluing on the nails, and I'm going to FaceTime my friend while I do it so I'm not bored. All right, let's open them up. Gotta make sure I can get a good thumbnail. That is important. Okay. So I'm going to start off by finding the right size nail for each of my nails. And then I will clean them with alcohol. Okay, so I finished finding the right sizes for each of my nails. I feel like most of these are either really tiny or really giant, and there aren't that many like kind of middle, like medium sized ones for me. So some of them are a little bit too small. So that's what I'm doing. So I just ate lunch, and Max, my dog, may or may not have gotten in here and tried to eat a cotton ball, and thankfully he did not eat any of the actual fake nails, so that is good. I was so stressed out that he ate a fingernail because that's gross and also bad for him, but I think he's okay. He is okay. So now I'm going to FaceTime my friend and get back on track for doing my nails. Let's do it. halfway done with the like actual nail application and shaping them. I have this shape. I'll give you a close-up when I'm done with them. And the middle three look pretty good, but the pinky and the thumb are not good. And my friend who I'm FaceTiming is acting like a crazy person right now. Love ya. So now I'm gonna do the other hand and then wash my hands because they have like glue and nail filey things on them, and then I'll paint them and we'll be done. Woo! Okay, you can unmute yourself now.
I just wanted to see if I could get you to laugh.
So I finished. What happened? So I just finished gluing on and shaping my nails. I will insert a little like up close thing right here, so that's what you're seeing right now. But I ended up with like kind of a shorter squarey shape. And then I'm about to paint them with this milky pink color, which I will also insert a little clip of this color right here so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to paint that and then put a top coat on, and then we'll be done, and I'll show you how they worked, if they worked, which they did. And I'm rambling, so here's a time lapse of me painting my nails. So I put on 3 coats of this nail polish that I used by Sonia Kashuk. If I can find it on Amazon or someplace, I'll link it in the description box. It's the color, no idea, does not even have a number, One Fine Day. And now I'm going to put on a clear top coat, and then we'll be done, let them dry, and then I'll give you my final thoughts and you can see what they look like now. Okay, I'm gonna go get help opening this because I cannot. Finished with the top coat, and while these dry, I'm gonna give you my overall view, or like opinion, I guess. So these turned out really well. I definitely would recommend if you feel comfortable with it, because the glue part is definitely like pretty intense. Like I'm not gonna be able to just rip these off like. So as you guys can see, some of the nails have fallen off. Some of them fell off like naturally. I didn't do anything, and some of them I kind of pressed a little bit too hard on them and they fell off. Just letting you guys know if you are interested in buying these, but they're super easy to glue back on, so I still definitely would recommend them. Just thought I would let you know, as this is a day or two after filming this. I actually need to like follow the directions and soak them, which should be a given, but you know, sometimes things are different. They were pretty easy to get on. The glue comes out a little bit fast, which is kind of scary. The first one I actually glued my fingers together for a split second. Definitely worth it for the price. So I definitely would recommend, if you feel comfortable doing this. Filing them and cutting them was super easy. Hopefully they will be easy to get off. I'm not going to show that in this video because I'm going to wear them for a week. I would 10 out of 10 recommend this product. If you want to do it, definitely do it, especially when we're in quarantine. It doesn't really matter if you mess up because you're not really going to see anybody anyway. So this video was really fun to film. I've been getting into more of the beauty and fashion kind of, not vlogs, like videos. So definitely let me know in the comments if you're interested in seeing more of these kind of videos. If you like the kind of videos I make, please make sure that you subscribe and thumbs up or like this video if you enjoyed it. A lot of the people who are watching my videos are not subscribed, so if you are not subscribed right now, it would mean a lot to me if you did subscribe. That would really help me out, and just keep making videos. But I make videos for the fun and not for the subscribers, so that is something to keep in mind. Yeah, overall, this was fun. Recommended. I probably said it about 5,000 times. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.